Hi, my name is Fu. You're watching Very Snatch. Please click the subscribe button below. So in my last video, I unboxed the Burgundy canvas Gucci boots. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link in the description box below. You don't have to click on it now, but I'll leave the link in the description box so you can take a look at the video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing something completely different. I explained to you guys why I bought the other boots. So in today's video, let's see what kind of bullshit excuses I can pull out my ass to present to you guys. Before we jump into the video, please click the subscribe button below. Other than that, let's go ahead and start the video. So I'm not gonna make you guys wait, I'm just gonna say it. Today we're gonna unbox the Gucci Horsebit-Detail Loafers. I'm so very excited to unbox them and show you guys what they look like. I'm obsessed with how they look and very excited to wear them. And of course I opened this box when they first arrived. Things can happen when you ship expensive products like this. So it was very nerve-wracking, but they're here, they're safe with me, nothing happened to them, not even one scratch. Alright, the moment you have been waiting for, let's unbox the shoes. Okay, so these shoes came in this plastic Gucci box. Oh my god, it feels like my first time opening the box again. I'm so excited to see these. Oh my god! These shoes are just amazing. These shoes are everything. That was so fake. These shoes are like everything. These shoes are everything. Like, I just wanted to genuinely say that. But no, really. They look amazing. I love, love, love the Horsebit detail right here. It's definitely the highlight of these loafers. The gold hardware is so pretty, lying on top of the iconic green and red Gucci band right here. Not only that, but another thing I really like about this loafer is the square toe right here. Square toe is my favorite kind of design at the moment since I wear long trousers a lot, so I love the way they peek out my trousers. I'm the type of person that loves looking polished when I leave the house, so these shoes are definitely the key item to complete my look. These Gucci loafers have this kind of vintage vibe going on. The white color is not really white, it's more like a creamy, like a vintage white color. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really like that white color. And the black leather lining all around really brings out the contrast of the design and really makes the white pop. And then the low block heel has the perfect height, not too tall, not too short, just enough for me to pump up my height a little. And they're super easy to walk in also, similar to the boots. These are super comfortable to walk in. I feel like I probably do not have to break them in. I have so many things to say about these shoes, but I feel like I'm repeating the same words over and over again. So I hope you guys understand how much I love these shoes. Another note that I would like to also make is that I got these in size 6. I mentioned before, but I just wanted to say it again in the video, that Gucci shoes do run one size bigger. So if you order your shoes, make sure to order one size smaller. Similar to my last video, here are some reasons why I got these loafers. First of all, these caught my attention at first sight. I first saw these shoes on the Gucci website probably like last year or like a year and a half ago, and I immediately click on these shoes just so I can look at them a little closer. You know it was meant to be. I fell in love with them and decided to swipe right. But not Tinder, but like I swiped my credit card. Also, another reason why I bought these shoes is that I don't own any white loafers. I know that these are not white, but the white part here is like enough to make the shoe looks different. And most of my loafers are in black. So with that being said, these ones are definitely some new addition to my closet. This is an actual fact. I love wearing loafers. I mean, no one cares that I love wearing loafers. I would definitely wear these to death. Like, they will, yeah. Of course I'm wearing Gucci, so I have to wear the extra like head scarf, like the fashion way of wearing it. I'm wearing this top from Zara I bought like a while ago. These pants are from Random Identities, of course. And this outfit looks so fucking good. I love this. I tried to match this navy scarf with the navy pants and the black top with the black shoes. So that's something you guys can do to mix black and navy together. It's really not that hard. You just have to kind of coordinate the colors together. So this is the second outfit. Everything is oversized. Everything. The shirt is oversized. The jacket is oversized. The pants are oversized. Okay, so this shirt is vintage Miu Miu. The blazer is thrifted. These pants are from Zara. And yes, I absolutely love this outfit. But this is Gucci for you. It's literally Gucci. If you wanna look like a Gucci model, just wear vintage items. And when you thrift for vintage items, don't even try wearing something fitted. Just buy like really baggy items and just slap them all on your body, and here you go. Now you look like you're wearing something from the Gucci runway. I think this outfit works, even though the pants do not go with the blazer, but this white top really tie everything together. Like, look, and if you don't like the jacket, you can literally take it off like so, and voila. There you go. This is the second outfit. This is how I would style these shoes. I want these loafers and I got them. So I think I am going to take a break from ordering more shoes. I think I'm okay with the amount of shoes I have now. I see that's kind of bad for you to think that there has to be a certain amount of shoes for you to feel okay. Not I think. I'm pretty sure with the amount of shoes I have, I am good and I don't need to order more shoes for now. I know this might change. I am a hypocrite, I know. I just wanted to make myself say it out loud that I just need to stop buying shoes for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Follow me on Instagram at very.snatch. I will definitely follow you back. I am also on TikTok now. Wow, amazing. I'm trying to pretend that I'm like 18 and I'm on TikTok. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, it is very snatch. No dot in between, just very snatch. Anyhow, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.